right in my ears. How does that sound to you on the Osmo Action 4 in the distance? Did you see my other video yet of me having the camera out the window? And it picked up the siren for sure. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining the show. We're going to get a storm door handle, a knob that turns, opens and closes around button 1. Mine on the door no longer does it real smoothly. Hitting on in, getting what I need, hoping that my bike will still be there. I should have known better just to go to the big Home Depot than to Lowe's. They don't have it. They don't have a security door knob. Summer's over. They take everything away and they're gonna prepare for winter. I thought the barbecue was a nice price, but still the same price for the 3 burner. Guess I got a good barbecue, still lasting. I'll keep that baby going. I chose to put it back because why are there 2 prices of the same product? That was a $2 difference, and was a whole closet door, not for outdoors. We'll make another trip to another Home Depot, or just basically go to Amazon and place an order for a security outdoor lock that I asked Siri. That brings me to a YouTube video. You ever been to the corporate of Dollar Tree? I have. Oh man, let me tell you, what a place it is. Well, I shot a lot with the DJI Osmo Action 4 to say I really like it. I really do. I'm pleased with what I bought and the discount I got, and I hope you can decide for yourself the same. The only thing I may not like is what DJI is doing, as well as maybe Rocksteady. That may not be pure Rocksteady now. Unless I move out of the frames per second, that's when Rocksteady will start to really kick in. 4K 60, that's what I'm on. So, you know, auto low light won't be on. And I am always now shooting with MOV. I stopped HEVC because my machine today just kind of like, you know, I don't want to work with the editor. It struggles a little. And I think it's something to do with having too much SSD on there, meaning files. If I'm over 50%, I start to get issues. I don't want to play with the camera settings and all. I just want to shoot and go. And that is what the DJI is good for. On that note, I'm Fish. See you later.